Our cerebral palsy wheelchair is a specialized chair designed to offer maximum support and comfort for individuals with cerebral palsy. It features customizable seating, postural support, and options like reclining and tilt-in space to improve posture, reduce pressure sores, and ensure easy maneuverability for long-term use. The standard wheelchair is an affordable and lightweight option for individuals with mild to moderate mobility issues, ideal for short-term use or daily activities. It provides basic support, with adjustable footrests and durable wheels for easy operation. Additionally, we offer a range of wheelchair accessories to enhance comfort and convenience, such as pressure relief cushions, storage bags, ramps for access, trays for eating or working, armrest and footrest pads for extra comfort, cup holders for drinks, and weather protection covers to shield users from the elements. These products are designed to improve mobility, comfort, and independence, catering to the unique needs of each wheelchair user. Get yours today at modernsolutions.co.ke.